rebuilding my 2004 Yamaha Vmax from this to this.
You're watching the Kodakuna Rider YouTube channel.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
This 2004 Yamaha Vmax with 4,400 kilometers hadn't been ridden or started for over 15 years. When I got it home, I gave it a really good clean, put some gasoline in it and tried to fire it up. Here we go. Come on. Come on. After the initial startup, I checked the coils. One was no good. Two of the spark plug leads were no good. And I also changed over the spark plugs because there were two different sets in there. And then we tried again. So we've replaced the coil, put all new plugs all around, and we're ready to fire it up. I've got the jump at the moment. Whoa! Now that I had the engine running, I noticed that it wasn't charging correctly, so I decided to change the stator, and while I was there, I was also going to change over the starter clutch.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the night, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on one more down. See me for me.
Now it's time to move on to the brakes and then on to rebuilding the carburetors.
I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down.
clean the tank. Now it's time to start painting the frame and the engine.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the night.
So I'm really happy with how it's turning out. It's looking great. We've got a lot to do, but it's starting to come back together now.
So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me.
And there she is, all finished. It looks beautiful, and what a huge difference from when we first started that day. And you can remember when we tried to start it for the first time. Let's start it now. Oh, what a huge difference. Oh. What a huge difference.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
So thanks very much. Always remember, drive like you know each other, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
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 Okay.
Thank you.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
What the?